Next topic is conversion of octal number system to decimal number. Octal number we have discussed. What is the octal number? It lies from 0 to 7 and total will be 8. That's why name is given octal number system. We have to convert octal number system is decimal. Process is same. As we do here, we have to do same here. But what will change? In the base of 2, here we always write 2. So in the base of 2, here we will write, because we are converting octal. So in the place of 2, here we will write 8. So first put the base positional value 0, 1, 2. And then here we multiply with 2, but here we will multiply with 8. First 3 into 8 the power 2. Got it? When we have to convert into the binary to decimal, here we multiply with 2. Here we was multiplying with 2, but here we will multiply with 8 plus 4 into 8 the power 1 plus 5 into 8 the power 0. Got it? Here, because we are converting octal to decimal, that's why base value we have written 8 and positional value from the right side you have to put 0. It will start from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3 will be here. Now calculate it. 3, it will be 64. 8 into 8, 2 times we will 8 8 is 64 plus 4 into 8 1 is 8. Plus 5 into here what will be? 0? No, it will be not 0. Any digit which power is 0, then value will become 1. So here value will be 1. Now multiply 64 by 3 to 12 and here 90. It will be 192. 8 4 is 32 and 5 1 is 5. Add it. 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 and 3 12 and 1 1 2. It will be the answer in the form of binary. Just take it. 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 and 10 12. 9 or 3 12, 12 2 and here will be 1 1 2. Got it? Next, one more question. 317, it is in the octal form. We have to convert in the decimal form. Put the positional value 0, 1, 2. Now write 3 into base will be 8. 8 the power 2. 1 into 8 the power 1 plus 7 into 8 the power 0. 3 into it will be 64. 1 into 8 1 is 8 and 7 into 8 the power 0, value will be 1. Multiply it. 12 192. 8 1 is 8, 7 1 is 7. Add it and answer you will write in the decimal form. Give the answer of these question. Got it? This is the way to convert octal to decimal. Next topic is conversion of hexadecimal number to decimal. This is the last topic, how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. In the previous class I have already discussed this number system consists of 16 digit. Hexadecimal means 16 digit. Number 0 to 9 and then later A to F, where decimal number from 10 to AF represent decimal number from 10 to 15. Then the value of A will be 10, B will be 11 and like this up to 15 and the value of 15 will be F. To convert the hexadecimal, same process we have to do as we was doing in the octal and binary number. But what will be the change? In the place of 8 and 2 means we will change the base value. The base value we will change. Same process. First put the positional number 0 and 1. Now write 3 into, and now in the place of 8 what we will write? 16. Yes, 16 we will write because we are converting from hexadecimal to decimal. So base will be changed 16, and then plus, and b, what is the value of b? 11, and then sorry, here 16 power will be 1, and here 16 the power 0. No, first don't put 11 here. First give the positional value, then when you will put here, then you have to write the value of b, otherwise the answer will be come wrong. So first you have to give the positional value, then after you have to put the value of b. Now 3 into 16 plus 11 into, what will be the what will come here? 1. Now 16 3 ja 48. Now here will be 11. 8 or 1 9, 4 or 5 59. So this is the answer. Next, one more example. Don't put the value of do now. First give the positional value 0 1 2. Now 4 into 16 the power 2. D, what will be the value of D? C will be 12, D will be 13. So write here 13 into 16 the power 1 and plus 2 into 16 the power 0. Now 4 here we will write, and 16 into 16 will be 256. 16 into 16 into 256. Now 13 into 16 1 ja 16 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now multiply it, then multiply it and multiply it. What will come will be your answer. Do it by yourself and give the answer. Now what you have to do, here is the few questions that you have to do in your notebook. Decimal number into binary number. Convert the following decimal number into binary number. 68, 987, 657, 25, 320. What you have to divide it? What you have to do? Divide by 2. Because we are converting decimal number to binary, so it should be come in 0 and 1 form, and remainder you have to write in the reverse order. Binary number into decimal number, just give the positional value and multiply it, and the last add it. Octal number, these three will be the same. What you will change, the base value will be, here binary number is written, the base value will be 2. Octal number written, the base value will be 8. Hexadecimal number written, the base value will be 16. So multiply with 16, multiply with 8 and multiply with 2. Here first you have to put the positional value, then after you have to break the value of B, D and E. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do practice at your home.